I am Claudia Kirchhoff Van Wyck, and I'm the creator of the Canadian canoe route. The canoe is our car in Canada, and the rivers and the lakes are our roads. We are a whitewater family. My parents immigrated from Germany and immediately became active on the water in kayaking and canoeing, and they became Canadian champions. With this excitement, they decided to start a paddling school, and it happens to be the first whitewater school in the world. So I grew up in this environment and was taught by world champions. So instantly I also became an international player and won 10 times Canadian championships and bronze medal in the world. It's pretty special to take your athletic career into your business career, and every day I have the privilege of introducing people like you to this incredible world of the river. Rafting is the way that anybody can get on the river into the big whitewater. So the raft has an expert in the back who steers the boat, and then everybody is part of the action. It learns a little bit how to hold a paddle, and you are part of the action, but you don't need to know where to go because your guide steers the boat exactly where it needs to go. The Ottawa River is in the top 10 bucket list of rivers to paddle, not just for kayak, canoe, but for rafting, because it's warm water, it's big water, it's friendly, and it's easy accessible. It is one of Canada's Canadian signature experiences.